morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, September 28th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Today in the Family Weekly, here are a couple of reminders. Remember, next Monday, October 5th, those pre-K through second grade scholars who are choosing to return to school in person will begin. Drop-off is between 7 a.m. and 7:45, and pickup is between 3 p.m. and 3:45. Please look at the Family Weekly for more information. Also, remember, scholars, every day counts, so you need to make sure, even if you stay virtual, that you are either on your live virtual classes or you'll log in and complete your assignments daily in order to be counted present for the day. We have a lot of absences because scholars are not logging in to make sure that they get counted. Also, remember, when you're at school, social distance. We want to keep our friends and family safe. So, make sure you're 6 feet away from your friends and you're wearing your mask at all times. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.